Welcome to our video on DLAB scoring. Today, we'll dive into understanding how the scoring works. The minimum passing score actually depends on the branch of the military you're aiming to join. When it comes to scoring, different branches of the military have their own minimum passing scores. Each branch sets its own standards, so it's important to know what you're aiming for. Typically, the required score ranges between 95 and 110, depending on the specific job or branch. A score of 95 might be the minimum for some roles, while others may require you to hit that 110 mark or even higher. So, it's really crucial to know the specifics for your desired role. This means preparation is key. Knowing the required score for your desired role can help you set clear goals during your study sessions. With the right preparation, you can achieve the score you need and open up a world of opportunities. A higher score generally means more opportunities in specialized linguistic roles. For example, achieving a score above 110 may qualify you for advanced positions such as intelligence analysis or interpretation.
Scoring well on the DLAB opened up so many doors for me. I was able to work in roles I didn't even know existed.
Here are a few key takeaways regarding DLAB scoring. Always check the specific requirements for your desired branch. Invest time in studying the components of the test. The higher your score, the more career paths available to you. Understanding the DLAB scoring system is crucial as you prepare for this important test. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into military language tests.